This is, quite honestly, the bedroom of my dreams, and I am so excited to show you. Hello, my friend. How are you? I hope you are having a wonderful day today. If you are new here, hello. My name is Forrest. I am a children's book illustrator and artist, and today we are going to be doing a major overhaul of my art studio slash bedroom because I don't have a separate art studio. It is my bedroom, so we are a one-stop shop here. And I guess to get the full picture, I'm going to show you the before, and I just want to preface, I have not been in a wonderful mental state for the last year. So my room was definitely a reflection of that. I was not taking care of myself, and by extension, not taking care of my room. And the only reason why I am comfortable showing the before is because of how wonderful it looks right now. So try to be kind. Please don't judge me too much. We are doing better. It's fine. But anyway, okay. Incoming before in 3, 2, 1. As you can see, it is cluttered to high heaven. I just have things in piles. It's a mess. I would wake up, I would work at my desk, I would make food, I would go to bed and just repeat the cycle. I hated being here. I just was in such a bad spot, and I didn't realize how much my room was both playing into it and a reflection of that. Now, I didn't go into this redecoration with really any kind of idea or set plan in mind. I had images on Pinterest that I saved, and I knew kind of stuff that I liked. I was kind of figuring it out as I went along. The process of getting here was
I hate this. I hate this so much.
a little challenging, but I'm really happy with how it came out in the end. So I'm gonna give you a quick showing of the how we got here, and then I'll see you again at the reveal. All right, my friends, enjoy the show. Never done this before, but here goes nothing.
Oh, I'm so nervous. Okay.
Already off to a bad start.
I hate this. I hate this so much.
I've had to move everything together, and it's so cluttered, and I hate it. Ugh, I cannot wait to paint and put everything into its rightful place. I hate everything about all of this. This is stressing me out so much. So we had a bit of a snafu. I started putting the primer on the wall, and then I was looking at it and I'm like, this doesn't look super different than the wall color I already have. Like this is the primer I put on. As you can see, it looks not too different from the back. And apparently I got a gray primer meant for dark colors instead of a white primer meant for light colors, which I am not surprised that I did that, but I'm very annoyed that I did that. I think it's fine. I'm probably needed to take a break anyway. It's 7 p.m. I've just been nonstop running errands, patching up all of these holes, which I'm very proud of myself that I did. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the paint store tomorrow, get the right primer, and then spend the whole day doing that, and then hopefully by the end of tomorrow it'll all be done. Hello. Welcome to the Thunderdome. It has been very stressful trying to do this and maneuver around. Also, I got the correct primer today, and yes, I am wearing the same shirt as yesterday, and I am also putting my hair in the same way as I did yesterday because I'm disgusting. I have been priming for a couple of hours now, and this is harder than I thought. This is really much harder than I thought. I'm not even halfway through the room, and I know already I'm gonna have to do a second coat. Yeah, I suggest anybody who wants to paint a room, and maybe a slightly bigger room, to enlist some help, because it is daunting. But I'm fine. It's all good. Okay, back to work. Hello. Oh my gosh, it is 8:30. I've been painting since noon and I'm still not done. My eyes and my throat are burning from the paint fumes, so I've been wearing a mask. I am so tired. I'm so tired. I haven't eaten since lunch. I am a bit of a workaholic, so I like to finish things and not have to worry about it anymore. And I don't want to wait until tomorrow to finish priming everything, but this is really stressful. This is really stressful. I had no idea how much of an effort it takes to do this, but holy cow, if you have to paint a bedroom, get a friend to help you, because it's a lot, and I'm losing my mind. Look at that delicious color. Y'all, we painted it! I cannot express how much of a difference it makes coming in here. It was like, what was I doing for 2 years? It was like prison cell gray on these walls for so long. And I'm just like, it's fine. And then I come in here, you can't really tell in here because it's cloudy, so you're not getting the full effect, but like, it's this really, really nice, like corally, pinky color, and it just makes it so much lighter. There are definitely parts that need to be touched up. This is the first time I've ever painted a room, but I am so happy with how it turned out. I am so ecstatic, and I got a lot of things, a lot of frames, a lot of decor pieces. So now we just get to do the fun part, which is we get to decorate. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Hello, it's voiceover me. So I just wanted to explain what I'm doing right here in this segment. So I bought this really, really beautiful, ornate, kind of Victorian gold frame. I wanted to hang it and I wanted to put some artwork in it. So I bought a poster-sized version of a Monet painting, and I am just trying to find a way to put it inside this frame, which is a little difficult because it doesn't have any backing, it doesn't have any place for an easy way to put some artwork into it. So I'm tracing it, cutting out where I'm tracing it, and just kind of trying to tape it into the frame with the hope that it'll look good in the end. Okay, before I put the wire on the D-rings, I'm just gonna flip this over and see if it looks good. Let's hope that it does. Please, please, please. Wait. Oh my God, this looks so good. This looks so good. I'm not gonna lie. I am pretty stoked with myself. This turned out so nice. I mean, it's a little wobbly because it doesn't have any backing, and I kind of had to like makeshift to get it to work, but I'm really proud of myself. I'm really so excited to hang this. It's gonna look so good. All right. See, this is proof that if I can do this, me who does not know anything about screwdrivers or hammers or anything, anybody can do home improvement stuff. Don't sell yourself short. Yes! I did it. It looks so good. Oh my God. We're making progress. It's getting there. It's so, wow. Oh, it's really coming together. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. We did it. We did it. It's done. It's officially done. This was a bigger undertaking than I anticipated. Originally, I was just going to get some art pieces and hang them up. I was not really planning on doing a humongous style overhaul, but I'm so grateful I did, because I have not slept so well since I have remade the space. And I know that might sound silly and a little like hocus pocusy, but since I've made this space my ideal like relaxation environment, I have not felt better. I've truly not felt better. I've felt so much more de-stressed. I'm less cluttered. I can breathe in here. I can sleep. It just feels like someplace I want to relax in, and I'm really, really glad that I did this. How we got here was I didn't really have anything in mind. I had a bunch of things on Pinterest that like didn't necessarily go together in my head, like kind of cottagecore, kind of Victorian, kind of dark academia. And so I didn't really have like a set direction until I bought this dresser, which I love, by the way. Oh my god, the details are so beautiful. And I got it on Facebook Marketplace for it's so cheap. But I wasn't even thinking about like anything in particular until I got this. And then I found this fancy mirror that I bought on Etsy years ago. And I was like, I want to base it around this. I want to base this room around somebody who would own and use this gorgeous little thing. And I just had it in storage for a while, and I found it when I was decorating, and I was like, that's it. That became the touchstone for how everything else turned out. And it just feels like home. This has been the first time I've lived in a living situation where I actually spent time creating a space, and I always kind of poo-pooed the idea that like, oh, you have to like make your space and that'll have any effect on you. Well, I'm here to tell you that it does. Like 100% it does. Yeah, and now I never want to leave. I was already a homebody and an introvert, and now I feel like this just made the problem much worse. I completely think that if this is something that you want to do, absolutely recommend it. It takes time. This definitely was over the course of several months, but absolutely worth it, and has made such a difference to my mental health. So, thank you for being on this little journey with me. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope I was able to make you laugh a little bit as we got creative and worked on this. And yeah, if anybody would be interested in like a full, more detailed tour, I don't know, let me know. I could do that. But yeah, thank you very much for being here, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.